Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. The previous class continuation. Here one of the compound given, bromination in presence of light, which is a major product. Here the question is which is the major product in the given four options. Now already I told you that chlorination and bromination. Now here you have to find out the types of carbon. This is CH3, primary carbon. This is tertiary, secondary, tertiary, primary. So total three types of carbons are present: primary, secondary, tertiary. Bromination is highly selective. This point you have to note down. Bromination is highly selective. It means the reaction takes place at tertiary carbon. It means the hydrogen replaced with the bromine at tertiary carbon. Then here how many tertiary carbons are there? Two tertiary carbons are there. This is also tertiary, this is also tertiary. But here deuterium is there, here hydrogen is there. Deuterium bond length with this carbon is small. Hydrogen bond length is greater. Greater bond length means easily break down. It means easily replace with the bromine. Smaller bond length not easily replace. Therefore, where the hydrogen, where bromine substitute at down tertiary carbon or upper tertiary carbon down, because this is easily replaceable. So where bromine at the down tertiary carbon is there, here not there, here present. Here not there, here not there. Answer which one? B option. If chlorination is there, keep in mind, if chlorination is there, all primary also substitute, secondary also substitute, tertiary also substitute. In that any one will be major. In that any one will be major. Okay. Next. The number of possible enantiomeric pair that can be produced during monochlorination of 2-methyl butane is. Here they are asking is number of possible enantiomeric pair. Enantiomer means last class I told you that if a chiral compound is there, its mirror image. This 1 and 2 is called what is that? One pair, single separate isomer. Together mirror image they are called enantiomeric pair. For enantiomeric pair, what is required? Chiral carbon required. Okay. So here options only I will write 0 and B 2 C 5 D 4. Okay. Now here they given what is the compound 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane on chlorination in presence of H nu. Then here compound form. Then how many enantiomeric product form that we have to calculate. First write the reaction. Butane mean how many? 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2-methyl. Okay. Now only I told you that chlorination takes place at all carbon, but bromination at selectively, which is stable. Generally tertiary, secondary, primary is the tertiary. Secondary, primary is the secondary. Okay. So now here what types of carbons are there? One, both are same type. Therefore I will write at this carbon 3 hydrogens are 1 replaced with the chlorine. Next one possibility. Here all both are same. Next possibility here, because here one hydrogen, carbon valence is how much? 4. 1, 2, 3 mean hydrogen is the hydrogen replaced with the chlorine. Another possibility, here 2 hydrogens are there, 1 replaced with the chlorine, like this. Another possibility, here 3 hydrogens are there, 1 replaced with the chlorine. Now observe here, this is chiral or not, you check it. At this carbon, how many hydrogens are there? 2. 2 mean 2, at least 2 groups are same, there is no chiral, that is achiral. So this is not chiral, but at this observe, at this, what is there? 1 methyl, ethyl, this total, another group hydrogen. Total 1 chiral carbon. Chiral means 4 groups are different. So here chiral carbon is there, mean its mirror image also possible. So it's mirror image, and this one is one enantiomeric pair. Clear this is? Now here observe, these two are same or not? Same in this is not chiral. This is not chiral. Any two groups or atoms are same, that is not chiral. All four are different required. Now here observe this one. Here not chiral because these two are same. Two are same in that is not chiral, that is achiral. So one chlorine, this total one, this is methyl and another one is hydrogen because carbon valency 4. So four groups are different or not? Different. So four are different means this is chiral. So this is also chiral means its mirror image will be there or not? So this is one pair of enantiomer. This is one pair of enantiomer. Now here this is same in this carbon is not chiral. This carbon also not chiral because two hydrogens are there. Here also two hydrogens are there. Therefore there is no chiral. Then how many enantiomeric pairs are there? 2. Option which one? B. Clear this is? One chiral carbon is there means compulsory its mirror image compound possible. That you have to remember. Now 21. The number of fraction on distillation of the dibromo product mixture obtained by photobromination of butane. They given here this is butane. What is this? Butane. Photo mean light. You may be know in the physics also, chemistry also. Light. Bromination. Photobromination this is. But which bromination this is? Dibromination. This is which one? Mono. Monochlorination means one chlorine only substitute. Here how many bromine substitute? 2. Then here they are asking here the number of fraction on distillation of the dibromo product mixture obtained by photobromination. So we will discuss. Options are there: A 5, B 9, C 6, D 7. First you should know the product first, then only how many fractions are possible you will calculate. So I am writing here product with the H nu and bromine. See, same one possibility at this. How many hydrogens are there? 3. Out of 3 how many can replace? 2 because dibromination now. Then this is one, sorry I am not, this is wrong, this is correct because bromination this is. Okay. Now this is one product. Another possibility here also is there. Then another possibility bromine. Another possibility here, but here and here name same or not? Same. Another possibility here and here same. So 1, 2. Another possibility, one bromine here, another bromine here. 1, 2. This 1, 1. This is 2, 2. That is 1, 2. Another possibility. This is 1, this is 3. Yes or no? Another possibility 1, 4. Yes or no? Next possibility. This is bromine, this is bromine. This is which one? 2, 3. Another possibility 2, 4. This is maybe same anywhere. This 2, 4 not there anywhere same. This is. What is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 position, 3 position is there? Same or not? Same. Any other possibilities are there? Check now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any other possibility will come? One, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2 completed, 1, 3 completed, 1, 4 completed. Then This is also completed, no? 2, 3. Total how many are possible? Number we can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But 6 option also is there, 7 option also is there. But near anyone missing or not, you have to check, because 1 is missing, answer also gone. Then 1, 1, 1, 2. Actual total how many possible? This 6 only possible. Clear? Another possibility is, this is which one? Chiral carbon. This is which one? Chiral carbon. And its mirror image also possible, but enantiomers, whatever the enantiomer pairs is there, they are comes in one fraction only, because now we have in a distillation flask like this. You consider this is a distillation flask, you consider. On heating, this will becomes as a vapor. In this vapor, enantiomer boiling points are nearly same in both. Enantiomer comes in the same boiling point. Diastereomers comes in the different boiling point. Got the point? Diastereomers comes in the different boiling point, but enantiomer comes in the same boiling point. They comes out at the same boiling point. That is important. So enantiomer possible mean that is not comes in the different fraction, only diastereomers. So here can possible the diastereomers. This is enantiomer only, but here this is chiral carbon or not? CH3, bromine, and this is, and here hydrogen is there. Here also this is chiral. So these are chiral mean like this, these are possible. You know diastereomer meaning? Enantiomers meaning what is that? Mirror image to each other, but not superimposable. Diastereomers meaning what is that? Not mirror image, not superimposable. What the point? Diastereomers meaning neither mirror image nor superimposable. So now I want to write bromine. See how many carbon? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here bromine hydrogen, bromine hydrogen. Like this we can write. Now I want to write like this. Now these are mirror image or not. If you observe in mirror, bromine is there, mean here should which appear? Bromine. But bromine appearing here? No. Here which is there? Hydrogen. But here what is there? Bromine. So these are not mirror image. Pick up this second molecule and place on first one. Superimposable. Pick up and place. Hydrogen, hydrogen, superimposable. Bromine, bromine, superimposable. But here bromine and here hydrogen is there. Superimposable is there, no? Yes or no? But these are should not superimposable. These are should not superimposable mean we can write here H, here Br. Clear? Now total molecule should be superimposable. Then only that is called superimposable. This part is mirror image? No. This part mirror image. Total molecule should be mirror image required. Got the point? Total molecule should be mirror image. So now take this one and place on this one. Then what happened? This part is superimposable. Hydrogen, hydrogen, bromine, bromine, CH3, CH3, superimposable. But now this one, here H is there, here what is there? Bromine. So not superimposable. Then this is what is there? Diastereomer. So how many diastereomers are possible like this? 2 diastereomers are possible. One down part is bromine, bromine, mirror image means. Second time what is the mirror image? Now this part we can change. H, Br, H, Br. Here H, Br, Br, H. Now these are mirror image part, but this is not mirror image part. So how many diastereomers possible? 2. Now in this sixth, this is only I wrote in this form. This total 1. This total 1. It means 5. This is 6. This is 7. Total how many possible? 7. But this is somewhat difficult question, no? So answer is 7. So like this question will ask in the competitive exam part. These are very, very, very important. Next, 22. The product B and C formed during the following conversion respectively. They given conversion. What is this? Propane. Propane react with the which one? Bromine H nu. Bromine H nu. A is a major product they given here. Major. This will be react with one magnesium diether. Then this will give the B. This is sodium in dry ether. This will give C. Then here options are given 2,3-dimethyl, 2,3-dimethyl, butane only. B option, propane only. Then C option, propane and 2,3-dimethyl butane. D option, propane and hexane. Propane and hexane. First you should know the reaction. What is they given? This is propane. Now only I told you that bromination is highly selective. Then which type of carbons are there here? Primary is there, secondary is there. Primary, secondary is there, which is major? Secondary. Therefore now you will get here bromine. That is a major. Simple. One H, one Br minus HBr like this, HBr byproduct. Byproduct we are not considering, only major product. That's why they mention major products. Okay. Next, this major, one react with the magnesium, another react with the sodium. So first I am writing with the bromine react with the magnesium dry ether. Dry ether is a solvent, no need to write also. So this will form like this. This already I told you that RMGX, Grignard reagent. This is what do you call this? Is Grignard reagent. Clear? Next, that much only they given. B is a Grignard reagent. Next, this one only, whatever this product formed, A react with the sodium in dry ether. Like this given mean immediately what you are remembering? Wood's reaction. Then this how many moles we have to take? Wood's reaction? 2 moles we have to take. When 2 moles taken meaning this can be represented like this. Br, sodium, Br like this. Then 2 sodium, this is last. What is left? Like this left. Then what is formed here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,3-dimethyl butane. Then which option is there? 2,3-dimethyl butane only, propane and 2,3-dimethyl butane, propane and hexane. Hexane not. So this is anyway wrong. Okay, 2,3-dimethyl is there. But with this B, so I forgot to write here in second. Second also is there. 1 and here second H3O plus is there. H3O plus. H3O plus is there. Means this one, second step react with the water molecule. Grignard reagent react with the water molecule. In water, one H plus added to this one part. Then what will form? H. Then what is the name of this one? This is same. Because here how many hydrogens are there? Not one. I denoted this hydrogen came to here. Total 2. Total what is the name of this one? Propane. So propane also form. And 2,3-dimethyl butane also form. Then which option is correct? C option correct. This reaction comes in second year many times. We have to remember. Grignard reagent react with any proton donor. Any proton donor means water proton donor and ammonia proton donor, alcohol proton donor, acid proton donor. These are there mean immediately that form alkane only. Very, very important. Okay. Now I will remove this. Next, 23. How many isomer will be formed when 2,3-dimethyl butane react with the SO2Cl2? This is second year concept. This question I want to remove that because we will get in the second year. So leave this, only 23. Next, 24. Consider the following reaction. Here given reaction CH3, CH, D, CH, CH3, CH3 plus Br dot. This will be react and gives X as a product plus HBr. Come on. Now, whatever we discuss, bromine reactions are which one? Highly selective. So, this is a question. Option they given here, identify the structure of major product. First, identify, you know already concept, then for direct we can write the option. Only correct option. Come on. This bromine free radical react with the primary, react with this, which one this is? Tertiary. This is also not tertiary, this is secondary only. Because this H, this is D, this is primary. Primary, secondary, tertiary, primary. Highly selective mean it react at which position? Tertiary. So directly I am writing here CH3, CH, D, CH replace, then you will get bromine, and here CH3, CH. This is correct answer. I don't want to write options. This is the correct answer. Okay, already you know, that's why. Next, 25. Propane on nitration. Propane means this is propane on nitration. Nitration reaction means HNO3 at 475 Kelvin gives option A CH3NO2 only, B CH3 CH2 NO2 only, and C both CH3 CH2 CH2 NO2 and CH3 CHNO2 and CH3 D all. See, actually how many types of carbons are there here? This is primary, this is secondary. So generally which is major? Secondary, major. Therefore this is formed, this is nothing but meaning what is like this is. Its meaning what is that? 1, 2, 3 carbon, this is N-word. So these both are possible, but at high temperature they given, that time this molecule is break. This molecule breaks. If this molecule breaks, then this is which one carbon? One carbon. One carbon compound this is. This is how many carbon? Two carbon compound. So these are also formed. At normal temperature, these are possible. Some high temperature, when breakdown, this is also possible. Then option D. This is somewhat higher level question. If you read your textbook, nitration reaction is there. Lower alkane do not undergo nitration sulfonation. One reaction is there. That time these are possible. But at high temperature, when this breakdown and gives us smaller components, then all are correct product. Okay. Next, 26. Sulfonation of which of the following form only one product? Only one product of sulfonation. Only one product of sulfonation. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Come on. Which one form only one product? Here how many types of carbons are there? Primary, this is tertiary, secondary, primary. So primary one type product form, secondary form, tertiary form. Only one not there here. How many products? 2, 3 products are there. Here primary, primary. This is tertiary. Here primary, secondary, primary. So primary possible, secondary possible. Here 1, 2, 3, all are primary only is there. Here not possible. Why here not possible? Because here hydrogen not there. Because carbon value is how much? 4. Carbon valency 4 mean here hydrogen not there mean here also SO3 form same product, here also SO3 form same product, here also SO3 form same product, here also SO3 form same product because name same. But here this can replace SO3 form, here can replace SO3 form, SO3H. So here two product form, but here how many product form? Only one. Therefore option which one? D. Next 27. Which of the following has the lowest heat of combustion? Lowest heat of combustion. So options are given here. A. N-pentane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. Isobutane 1, 2, 3, 4. Isobutane. C. Neopentane. D. Propane. Then select this. Which of the following has the lowest heat of combustion? Lowest heat of combustion means branch increases, that is a stable molecule. Stable molecule means, see, this is energy diagram, this reaction coordinate. Stable molecule having lower energy, unstable molecule having higher energy. So it undergo combustion. For example, this will undergo combustion. Which one? This is pentane. Pentane undergo combustion and it gives which one? CO2 plus H2O. All A, B, C, D options are gives which one? CO2 plus H2O. Combustion reaction meaning what is that? Hydrocarbon undergo combustion in presence of oxygen, that gives a carbon dioxide, H2O liquid. I told in the thermodynamics, you remember or not. So heat of combustion is there. Combustion means compulsory hydrocarbon gives which one? Carbon dioxide gas, H2O liquid. All are having hydrocarbon. All give the same product. So this gap, observe, which is having the lowest energy gap? This is more. So lowest heat of combustion means which is gives the lowest heat of combustion? Branched gives the lowest heat of combustion. So which is highly branched here? C option. But one more some possibility is there here. Here 5 carbons are there. Here 3 carbons are there. So number of carbon decrease mean again that heat of combustion also less is. More number of carbon, more heat of combustion. Less number of carbon, less. But highly branched is more stable than the straight chain. That's why C option. Next 28. N-butane is heated in presence of AlCl3HCl is converted to N-butane. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. N-butane heated in presence of AlCl3HCl. This is converted to, what is its conversion? Option A, ethane. Option B, propane. Option C, butene. This is butene. Option D, isobutane. Then which is correct answer? You studied that this is in alkane chapter. This is isomerization reaction. Straight chain converted into branched chain. How many carbons are there? Next branched chain, which one? This is 1, 2, 3. This is a branch. Okay. Otherwise, you can write like this also. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is branch. Therefore, D option is correct. This is called isomerization reaction. Straight chains are unstable. Now only I told that straight chains are unstable, branched chains are more stable. So they are converting to more stable compound. Next, 29. How many moles of O2 required to complete combustion of 1 mole of propane? Combustion. How many moles of O2 required to complete combustion of 1 mole of propane? This is propane. Then this is O2 gives rise to some product. Already now only I told you that combustion means what is the product form? Carbon dioxide, H2. So this is carbon dioxide, this is H2. If you not understand means propane formula C3H336, 6 plus 2, 8. You can write like this or like this also, right? No problem. Now how many carbons are there? Then here how many? How many hydrogens are there? 8 mean here how many required? 4 into 2, 8. 4 oxygen and 3 into 2, 6 oxygen. 6 plus 4, 10. Then here 10 by 2. 10 by 2 mean how much? 5. 5 into 2, 10. So right side 10 is there, left side also 10 is there. Okay. So actually like this, because here anyway 5 came, but sometimes it is not exact value will come. 7 by 2 is there, that time some fraction will come, the fraction multiplied with this, then you will get exact value. So always you have to balance like this only for alkanes. Okay. So how much is there? 5 moles of O2. This is, what is that? 5 moles of O2. So they are given options are 7, B 5, C 6, D 10. Which option correct? B option. 5 moles of oxygen required. Now the very important last one, 30. This is a very important. How much volume of air? How much volume of air having 20% V by V oxygen will be needed for complete combustion of 10 liters of ethane. Options are given here: A 135 liter, B 35 liter, C 175 liter, D 205 liter. This is a question. Now same way you have to solve this one, same way. How to solve this? What are they given here? Ethane. Ethane means what is the formula? C2H6 plus O2 gives rise. Compulsory product, what is that? CO2 H2O. This is generally gas, this is generally liquid. Compulsory liquid this is. This compulsory gas. But in question they mention gas means gas follow. But unless until mention means this is liquid only. This is very important for thermochemistry. Okay. Now balance it. How many carbons? 2. How many hydrogen? 3 into 2, 6. 3 oxygen and 4 oxygen. How much? 3 plus 4? 7. Then what you have to write? 7 by 2. Now you can write directly 7 means 7 into 2 how much? 14. That is wrong. 7 by 2 mean how much? 3.5. 3.5 into 2. Okay? Then it is correct balance. This is. So now how many liter they mention here? 10 liter of ethane they mention. In question how many liter is there? 10 liter. But you know that in the first chapter of first year, otherwise states of matter, any gas if it is 1 mole, any gas if it is 1 mole occupies how much volume? 22.4 liter at STP. So here nothing is there in how much here? 1 mole. This is how much? 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. This is how much? 7 by 2 moles into 22.4 liter. Got the point? 1 mole means 22.4. 7 by 2 means how much? 7 by 2 into 22.4. They given how much here? 10 liter given in the question. For 22.4 liter required this much. For 10 liter required how much? Got the point? Then cross multiply means this is cancel. Then this is 10 into 7. 70 by 2. Got the point? Cross multiply. This will be like, this will be like, mean opposite the question mark, that should be denominator. So I want to write here 7 by 2 into 22.4. Denominator what is that? 22.4. This is cancel. Correct? I forgot to this multiply 10. Therefore 7 by 2 into this is 10. This is cancel 5. 7 into 5, 35. This is only which one? Oxygen. This is only which one? Oxygen. Not air volume this is. Got the point? Then this air volume you have to calculate. Because we are writing here which one? Oxygen. But they are asking how much volume of air having 20% V by V O2 will be needed. Oxygen they are not asking. Air volume they are asking. Then how to solve? If you are getting 35 mean you will select the B option, but that is wrong. That is wrong. Then what is the correct option? You know that in biology also you may be studied, in chemistry also, or in physics also somewhere you study. Air consists of how much? 70 or 78 or roughly 80% of nitrogen, 21 actually 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, but roughly 80% nitrogen, 20% oxygen. Then volume of oxygen is how much? 1/5 of air. Yes sir? 1/5 of air. 20% means how much? Total 100. 20 is how much? 1/5 part. Got the point? So volume of air is 1/5 of air volume. Clear this is? But we want which one? Air volume. Then multiply mean air volume is equal to volume of oxygen into, this will be multiply here 5. Clear this is? Then what you have to do? Multiply this is now. This volume of oxygen multiplied with which one? 5. 35 into 5. Then answer will be C. So this is a complete description and complete concept of the alkane chapter. Ready?